I'm Daniel Dean. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in musculoskeletal concerns of the foot and ankle. My goal is really to individualize care for the particular patient. I like to get to know my patients, what they enjoy in life, what they like to do, and tailor their treatment strategy to their particular needs. My practice kind of focuses on people from 5 years old all the way up until their 90s. All of them have different needs and goals, and kind of figuring out what's best for them is one of the cool things about my job. You're trying to restore function to someone's life, and so there's no better feeling than seeing a successful outcome and having a patient really happy with the restoration of function. There's been a long-standing tradition of excellence in this area with Illinois Bone and Joint. You have everything you need for musculoskeletal care. We have a really good coordination of care between all the physicians in the organization, and that's really made my job a lot easier.